Who doesn't love a homegrown tomato? And who wouldn't want to grow the most productive plants possible? Well, one of the best ways to ensure that starts the moment you put that plant in the ground. Today, I'm going to show you the first thing you need to do to help ensure a bountiful season ahead. There are several methods for planting tomatoes with success. Now, most of the time, people will get their tomato plant home and put it in the ground at the level that it was growing in the container, and that is perfectly fine. But there's another school of thought, and that is to plant your tomatoes extra deep, and you can get away with it because tomatoes have these tiny white fibers on the stem. Those will become roots when they come in contact with the soil. And the thinking is, the more roots in contact with the soil, the more vigorous the plant because they can take up more water and nutrients. And the fact is, those plants do very well. Now there's a third option. If you happen to have a plant that's very tall and leggy and just won't stand up on its own, then you can plant it sideways and bury the stem. Again, those tiny white fibers will become roots, the top will turn towards the sun, and that plant will be incredibly vigorous.